Hi, good morning. How are you? Welcome to our reading, phonics, and letters and sounds class. What day is it today? Today is Wednesday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Tuesday. That's right. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Thursday. That's right. And what month are we in? We're in the month of May. That's right. Can you help me read the date? Here we go. Today is Wednesday, comma, May 19th, 2021. Super duper duper. Now, how many letters are in the alphabet? 26, that's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. What are they? A-E-I-O-U, vowel disco. A-E-I-O-U, vowel disco. That's right. And how many sounds do the vowels have? At least 2. That's right. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's the short sound, we mark it with a happy face. And when it's a long sound, we mark it with a line. That's right. Super duper. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. We also have special sounds. When you see these 3 letters together, you know they make a special sound. Together, 3 R, stars, church, or morning, ow, out. 2 special sounds, ow and o. Owl, bowl, verse, nurse, bird, oi, coin, oi, boy. 2 special sounds, listen carefully, and ooh. It's a little different. One's hard and one's soft, okay? Book, tooth, worms, eye, night, all, ball, walk. Super good reading. You are amazing. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes, open your eyes. We're going to review short vowel sounds. So these are words with 1 vowel, because when there's 1 vowel in the word, it usually says the short sound. Let's read it together. Are you ready? Pop, sock, soft, on, rock, dog, doll, bob, box, fox, hop, hot, log, mom, Todd, pop, super duper duper. Now we're going to see 2 vowel words. So when there are 2 vowels in a word, the first sound is long and the second vowel is silent, okay? So let's review. Pull, boat, pull, poke, loaf, Joe, home, hoe, goat, soap, rope, road, road, bone, cone, goal, nose, vote, toe, toad. Toad is a big frog. Hole, boat. Super duper duper. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. We're going to see some sight words. Sight words are words that don't go with the rules. You have to memorize them, like this word, the. Are you ready? Here we go. The. Come. The. You. Of. I. Do. To. The. Super good reading. Now stop. Look. Listen. We're reading through our reader right now. Look, there's a red hen. A hen is a mother chicken. And she's got a bug. Okay, look at, there's the hen. Block, 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 block. Let's read it. Are you ready? Red hen. See the red hen. The hen dug a hole. The hen got the bug. Ooh, do you think she's going to eat the bug? I wonder. Okay, super duper, that's our reading. Now let's look up here on the board. I have 2 words, and we're going to circle the special sounds, mark the vowels, and read the words. Can you help me? Remember, some words have more than one special sound in it, so you have to keep your eyes open. Okay? So let's see this one. I see the special sound, spr. And I see the special sound, A. You see, when we see these 2 letters together, we know they say A together. So that helps us read. Can you read this word with me? A. Spray. One more time. Spray. Super good. Here's the next word. I see the special sound. And then I see 2 vowels. Okay? So the first one is long, and the next one is silent. So let's read the word together. Squeal. 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 Squeal, squeal, squeal. That's a noise. Okay. Now it says letters and sounds pages. Let's write them right now. 178 and 179. Okay. Now get your letters and sounds book out. You have it? Good. And open up to page 178. 178. And it says, fill in the circle under the word that begins with the same special sound as the picture. What's this? Swing, 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 swing. What about this? What is it? Bread, bread, bread. What's this? Slide, slide, slide. Snow, snow, snow. So you have to find which one of these words begins with the same special sound as each of the pictures. You can do it. And number 3 says, write the word that completes the sentence. Remember that a sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. In this case, with periods. Here's the words. You have to decide which one of these words completes the sentence. You've got this. And then let's turn to page 179. We're going to write our names at the top of the page. And 1 says, mark the vowels and read the words. You know how to do that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Number 2 says, choose a word from the list to complete each sentence. Write the word in the blank. Okay? So remember, a sentence starts with a capital letter and ends with a punctuation mark. And here's the words, and you have to decide which of these words go with each sentence. You've got it. And number 3 says, fill in the circle under the letter that completes each word. You guys are great spellers. Okay, and that is our class for today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.